Last one say find the number n such that when 1 over 3 of it, 1 over 3 of n is added to 8, the result is the same, that is equal to as when 1 over 2 of it is subtracted, subtracted from 18, that is 18 minus half n, which is, we can write this as 1 over 3 n plus 8 over 1 equal to 18 over 1 minus half n. LCM of 3 and 2 is 6. Multiply each of these terms by the LCM. 6 times 8 over 1 equal to 6 times 18 over 1 minus 6 times 1 over 2. 3 here, 1, 3 here, 2. 3. 2 times n is 2n plus 6 times 8, 48 equal to 6 times 18, 108 minus 3. I forgot to put n here, 3n. Okay, collecting items, 2n plus 3n equal to 108 minus 48. 5n equal to 108 minus 48 is 60. N equal to 60 divided by 5, which is 12.